In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Board to instantly create board. We'll build a clean, focused mood board from scratch so you can capture ideas quickly and share them with confidence. Start by opening Miro and creating a new board. Give your board a clear, descriptive name, like Brand Mood Board, April 2026. That title helps you and collaborators find it later and sets the project context. Think of the board as your visual workspace where everything lives in one place. Next, add a frame. The frame acts like your canvas boundary, keeping content neatly contained. Select the frame tool, draw a large area, and resize it to fit your needs. Rename the frame to something meaningful, such as moodboard concepts. This simple step keeps your board tidy and makes navigation easier. Before you drop in visuals, define your theme. Decide on the overall style, the color direction, and the target audience. Add a small text box at the top of your frame that summarizes the vibe. For example, minimal, warm neutrals, lifestyle led for young professionals. This guiding note will keep every choice intentional. Now bring in inspiration. Drag and drop images from your computer, paste items you found online, or use Miro's built-in image search. Collect photos, graphics, UI examples, and even social posts that represent the feeling you're going for. Prioritize high-quality images so your board looks crisp and professional. Establish a color palette by inserting shapes or sticky notes and filling them with your brand colors. Label them with hex codes if you have them. Lining these up in a small swatch row creates a quick, reliable reference that keeps your choices consistent. Add typography ideas next. Upload font samples or screenshots and include short text examples like headlines and captions to see how type behaves at different sizes and weights. This instantly reveals hierarchy and tone. Organize your layout into clear sections: images, colors, fonts, and broader inspiration. Leave breathing room, align edges, and keep spacing consistent so the board feels balanced and readable at a glance. Add notes and labels to explain why each element earns its spot. Use short keywords like modern, soft aesthetic, or high contrast to reinforce direction and speed up reviews. Refine by removing anything that doesn't serve the theme. Keep only the strongest, most consistent visuals. With mood boards, less is more. Finally, share your board with your team or clients, invite feedback, and make revisions directly in place. Collaboration in Miro keeps the conversation focused and the project moving forward.